Day 47. Yesterday I didn't cycle. I took a day off. I have been a guest of a warm shower family, the network of cyclists giving mutual support and hospitality. So I was in Fort Collins at the feet of the Rocky Mountains, and today it's my first day and I will be climbing. The problem is, as usual, the weather and the associated thunderstorm, summer thunderstorm. It is raining, starting to rain now, so I need to get already shelter. I just took an amazing thunderstorm shower as a welcome to the Rocky Mountains. Anyway, I have to keep cycling because I didn't find any shelter. So what's the solution? Just cycle ahead. And that's a pity because like the landscape is getting gorgeous, but I can't stop. I can't see anything around me. Rain is never an issue as long as it's not cold. And right now at the bottom of the Rocky Mountain is not cold, so I could have taken I took some rain, and I'm not freezing, which is good, but I was completely soaked, so I took my socks off, as it was pointless to keep my socks. After all, now it's stopped. It's very beautiful. Those guys are doing kayaking, or no, it's not canoeing. I mean, no, I love my bicycle, don't take me wrong, but you know, the fact that it's convertible and it comes without air conditioning, it's a problem. And in case of rain, it's all on me. Such a beautiful place, but you know, it's not the right weather for enjoying this beautiful outdoor. I found shelter on a bar and I started to talk with the owner, ordering my pint. And as soon as I told him my story and where I was coming from by bicycle, he didn't want me to pay. I can only repair flat on a tire. That's another kind of a flat. I spoke with the barman. He told me that so many hours of relentless rain, it's not common. It should be like a thunderstorm and then sunny again, but not today. The whole area here has been devastated by wildfire. I think in 2018 they were telling me about. I didn't know that it was so vast, the fire impact. It's, the most of the valley has been burned.
Yesterday has been a big climb from Fort Collins 1500 meters to this campground at 2800 meters or 9200 feet. I have arrived very late after 62 miles, which is over 100 kilometers. Not only a relevant elevation, but also a long distance with a scarcity of oxygen. Apart from the weather, all went okay. I wanted to stop even earlier, but all the other campgrounds had no water and no safety lockers against the bears. That is why I chose this specific campground, even if it was high in the mountains and the last before the mountain pass. So today, I'll need just further 1000 feet climb, and then I'll reach the mountain pass and finally the downhill till Walden.
The fire is 2 years old, and the scale of the disaster, as you can see, is huge, but I don't think you get the full picture. It's the whole valley down to almost down to Fort Collins that is burned. I don't know how to quantify. It's an entire region. No, it's an entire county. Yeah. So this is only one mountain that is burned out. If you look carefully, there are many dead trees. This is natural, as this is the simple life cycle of this particular tree that grows in the mountains of the United States, in the Rocky Mountains, but not only, Sierra Nevada. The problem is that these dead trees catch up fire very easily, and that's the reason we saw so much devastation caused by wildfire, by humans, of course, and their picnics and their bonfires. So it is because of the presence of so many dead trees among the green trees. It will always be like that. It will be very difficult to deal with fire in the next years.